Hi friends, I am Mayuresh Salvankar. So today's topic is .os 2.3 on MI1 review. This ROM comes with the Android P-like status bar and Android P-like settings. It comes with the modded pixel launcher similar to AOS IP ROM. In home screen, app drawer, miscellaneous and app icons. In settings and system, it comes with the Android 8.1 and a security patch of 5 June 2018. But Android version 8.1, but when you tap, the game is of Marshmallow. Yes, Marshmallow. So this is a bug. You have to get an Easter egg of Android Oreo. So battery life. Battery life of this ROM is really very good. I got 5 hours of screen on time. Customizations. In settings, you get a .UI center, which you can apply a dark theme, apply overlay color or accent color, and miscellaneous settings. Rest all customization you get in .extras, which you can customize status bar, navigation bar, quick settings, recents, lock screen, and system. You can control app operations and buttons and all that thing. And bugs in this ROM is there is a major bug in this ROM as internal storage doesn't work. Yes, it doesn't detect the internal storage. In settings, it shows internal storage, but in files, it doesn't detect internal storage. I have even enabled it. And even in camera, it comes with a normal camera. It doesn't detect internal storage. Even it doesn't detect an SD card. See, it is showing insert an SD card before using camera, but I have already inserted an SD card, as you can see. I don't recommend you to flash this ROM on your phone. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, hit the like button and please subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos like this. So we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.